In this video, we're going to show you how to start selling gift cards. Let's start. Go to Catalog, then click on Gift Cards. Click on the Add Gift Card to Site button. This will take you to the editor. Here you can design the page and customize the navigation bar. To set up the gift card amounts you want to offer, go back to the Gift Cards page in your dashboard and click on Edit Gift Card. You can now customize your gift card by adding a name, description, image, and either preset amounts or leave it open for customers to enter their own amount. You can also set an expiration date if you want. These settings can always be changed later on. Once you finish the setup, the option for your customers to pay with gift cards will be automatically added to your checkout. You can find it under Settings, Checkout. To see all your gift card sales, go to Sales, Gift Card Sales. You'll see a table with all your gift card purchase history and details like the gift card code, issue date, recipient email address, amount, and status. Clicking on a gift card will give you the option to resend it to recipients or disable it. To edit the email that the gift card recipient gets, click on the three dots button at the top of the gift card sales page. Then under Send an Email in the left sidebar, click on Edit and make any changes you'd like. You can also manually issue a new gift card from the main page by clicking on Issue Gift Card. Then just fill in the fields here like the recipient's name, email, and the gift card amount. Once you click on Issue Gift Card, the gift card will be sent to the email address you listed. Now you know how to set up your gift card. Thank you for watching.